numbers heavy session. I know tax is not exactly the most exciting thing in the world, so we're going to keep it at a level that when we when we're done, you'll leave informed and have a little better understanding about like how the Canadian taxes work in Canada. So before I go into any details, I have to always go with the disclaimer. These are general pieces. Do not take this as investment advice or as tax advice. Everyone's situation is different. So just keep that in mind with this. And we won't really go into anything that's too personal because, again, everyone's tax situations will be different. So the the agenda on this, I want to first talk about a little about myself so you can understand my background. So when I'm saying the things I'm going to go over, maybe you'll have a little more appreciation for it. And then I'm going to talk about three key parts: taxes and real estate transactions, going over tax compliance, land transfer tax, the things that happen in the transaction itself. Then I'll talk about some of the taxes in your investment property itself. And then finally, we'll talk about your principal residence and the tax implications for some of the things that happen there. I'll go a little bit about our company afterwards, and then I'll have some closing remarks for you all, and I'll leave it open for questions at the end as well. So please save your questions to the end. So a little bit about myself. I'm a numbers guy. I'm an engineer turned accountant, so numbers has been in my blood from a very young age. I have 20 years of accounting experience and finance experience as well. And some of my past experiences, I was a risk manager at a boutique hedge fund during the financial crisis of 2009. So that was fun. And I was a director of finance at a large corporation. I was also a senior manager at Deloitte, and I'm a small business owner. From terms of my education and background, well, I have my mechanical engineering degree from UFT. I have my MBA from Schuh School of Business. I am an accountant, so I have my CPA. And I have a finance prep designation, and I have a risk management designation as well. So let's get into the taxes itself and tax compliance in real estate. So why are we talking about taxes? Well, I think this is a very important piece that has really become the focus of the CRA over the past, let's say, from 2015. So the tables you see in front of you are actually directly from the CRA themselves, because this is one of their focus areas. So some food for thought: since 2015, the CRA has added a lot of resources, and in that time span, so this is from 2015 to 2023, so 8 years. In 8 years, they've done over 74,000 audits worth $2.7 billion in Ontario and BC alone. And that is their primary focus area because of the real estate prices in these two provinces. So the first table talks about the various things they do audits on. So we have your income tax, we have your GST, we have your new residential bills, and we have those across Ontario and BC. And I'll be talking about all these in our segment. The table, the graphs here show it shows the pickup in the audit compliance that they've done. So you can see here, it started off slow and got more and more as time has gone up. So I don't see this trend going down anytime. And based on the results they're having, and you can see the penalties on the bottom table because of the